so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up a new subscription to our channel. I'm super excited. It is Goddess Provisions. So I've heard about this box before and only good things. So since this is a new box to our channel, let's just chat a little bit about it. So this box is like a spiritual box. When you go onto their website, it says it's a monthly box that lights up your soul. So everything in this box is cruelty-free and vegan, and it is $33 a month. And there's free shipping in the USA. This is available worldwide. There's just a shipping charge for Canada and then a little bit more for international. So anyone can get this box. You get 5 to 7 full-size items, and you get things like crystals. You can get aromatherapy, spiritual guidance tools, nutritional things like that are really good for you. You can get some beauty products and some tea. So there's a wide variety of items you can get. We are opening the May box today, and the May box is sold out, but they do have 2 boxes available that will ship out by the 13th, so you don't have to wait till June. I will leave the link to Goddess Provisions down below along with all of that information. But yeah, let's get started and see what's inside. If you guys hear anything or if like the camera shakes, I just opened a cat subscription box and my cats are so happy just playing with their catnip toys right now, and they're in this room. So they're going a little wild. Very happy cats though. Oh, I forgot to mention, for every single box sold, they plant a tree. So I think that is super amazing that they do that. Ooh, when I open up the box, this is what it looks like. It looks like we do have a card here. How pretty is that? And inside it talks about all of the items we'll receive. Wow, it looks like there's a lot in here. And there's a monthly mantra. It says, I am supported and uplifted by my plant allies. So I believe the theme, it looks like this month, is plant allies. So I will just leave this right here to reference. I love that they give us a little information. They give the price value as well, and even coupon codes for most of these items. So a very informative, nice card, and on the back we get some additional information as well. Oh cool, so this box and the card was made using 100% recycled materials. That's awesome. So let's start with this item. It was right on top. This is New Moon Tea Company Elderberry Tonic. Oh, this sounds good. I've been really into teas and stuff lately. So this is made with dried elderberries, ginger root, cinnamon, cloves, coconut palm sugar. It's caffeine free. So it gives you instructions on how to brew this. So you just bring 2 cups of water to a boil, add 1/3 cup, and then simmer for 20 minutes. And then once reduced down to 1 cup, you strain it and refrigerate for up to 1 week. Oh wow, I've never had anything like this before. So it says this tonic will brew into a delicious syrup which can be stored in the fridge and used daily to ward off colds. Superfood tonics will help relieve cold symptoms, support healthy digestion, and naturally detoxify the body. The suggested dosage is adults to have 1 tablespoon daily, and then children under 12, 1 teaspoon daily, and you want to store this in a cool, dry place. I've never tried anything like this before. I'm definitely curious about this. So it says brew up this DIY immunity potion. So I think this is great to include in this box since I don't even really need to explain. We're all really wanting to improve our immune system right now and protect ourselves. So this is a $12 value, and there is a code here to get 15% off items at newmoontea.com. If any of you guys are interested in any coupon codes, just let me know. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna try this out. I'm so intrigued. Have you guys ever tried a tonic like this before? Please let me know. Next up, we have something here. Let's get this out of the bubble wrap. Oh, cute. This is like a little jar. My lights are reflecting on it. I'm trying to show you guys the pattern on here. Like 2 hands and a heart in the middle. So this is Vibe Bottle, Little Blue Bottle. This sacred vessel is perfect for storing your herbal medicines, vitamins, loose leaf teas, powdered incense, and DIY skincare creations, and it's dishwasher safe. And this is $11 value. I love this. I'm totally gonna use this for something. I was just thinking I needed a jar for something. What was I thinking of? I'm not sure, but I will find a use for this. I think it's beautiful and I love that it is blue. Next up, it looks like we might have some skincare here. Zavok or Zavok Glow Moisture Cream. This is for normal to dry skin. It's made with sea buckthorn and raspberry. Luscious berry blend. 1.7 fluid ounces in here. So here's the outer packaging. So it says Zavok or Zavok. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing that. That's the brand. It says it uses science to identify the most beneficial botanicals, creating radiant beauty products. Our formulations leverage fresh herbs cultivated on USDA certified organic farms and are never mass produced. With your purchase, we provide support for Fruits to Love mission. And then it leaves their website to learn more. So to use this, you can apply it daily, morning and night. You just gently massage 1 to 2 pumps evenly over clean face, neck, and eye areas. And this product contains 100% botanicals, so it's made in a small batch. And yeah, it looks like most of the ingredients in here are organic, and of course it's cruelty-free like everything in this subscription. So it's made with water, jojoba oil, capucho butter, grapeseed oil, rose hydrosol, fatty acids, green tea matcha. Wow, this looks like a really good ingredient list. So there is some citrus essential oil at the bottom of the list. Sometimes essential oils can be irritating to some people's skin, but it's so far down, and everything above that is extracts, and the extracts of these is way less harsh than pure essential oils. So I'm totally okay with this ingredient list. I'm excited to try it. Oh, and I love the packaging too. So this is supposed to stimulate skin's youthfulness and gently revitalize your look, promotes smooth feeling skin, softens visible fine lines and wrinkles using botanical oils and extracts, delivers deep hydration while leaving the skin without a greasy feeling. Oh, I'm so excited to try this out. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand. So this, I love how large it is, and I love the pump applicator too. So let's put a little bit in the back of my hand. So that's what it looks like. It does have a fruity scent, but there's no like artificial fragrance. It looks like that's just from like the fruits inside, fruit extracts. It smells really good, and my skin feels nice. Definitely lightweight. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out. I'll definitely give you guys an update when I get a better feel for it in an upcoming video. So this is $28, nice. So this face cream is formulated with a unique combination of plant oils and extracts, including sea buckthorn and raspberry, to transform your skin with deeply nourishing hydration. And there's a coupon code to save 25% off at this company. Have you guys tried Zavok or Zavok? Please correct me with the pronunciation if you know, and also let me know if you've tried this. I'm excited. I love trying new skincare, especially lately. You guys know I'm on a skincare kick. Ooh, and it looks like we have an essential oil. I think it might be a roll-on. Let's get this out. So this is the Hippie Homesteader Essential Oil Serum, Spiritual Release, Enlighten. Is that focusing? So the ingredients in here are sweet almond oil, and then the Enlightened Essential Oil Blend, which consists of bergamot, palo santo, and frankincense. Ooh, I like this, I know. And it is a roller ball. This smells so good. I love stuff like this. So this roll-on is $10, and it says, alchemy occurs when a power or process transforms something in a mysterious way. Experience the magic of this bergamot, palo santo, and frankincense essential oil blend as it uplifts your mind, body, and spirit. It seriously does. It smells amazing. I love this combination. And if you want to get something from the Hippie Homesteader website, there is a code to save 20%. Still have, it looks like 3 things left. Everything is neatly packed in bubble wrap, which is nice, so everything arrived nice and safely. This is by Paragon Elixirs Plant Alchemy Longevity Tonic. I like the packaging on this. I feel like nothing is focusing today, but hopefully you guys can see. So it says dosage 5 to 7 drops by drink or mouth daily. So let's see what this tincture is for. So longevity. $30 value. Describes a potent herbal medicine that's made through an alchemical process. Dilute this adaptogenic tonic in a glass of water or tea to enhance physical, energetic, and spiritual wellness. Interesting. Am I saying that right? Spagyric? I have to look into that. This is new to me, but so what is in here exactly? So the ingredients: astragalus, gynostemma, reishi. Oh, I've heard about the schisandra, organic cane alcohol, water, and purified plant minerals. This is so interesting to me. I'm gonna have to do some more research, but I'm totally interested in learning more about this. And I can't remember if I said this yet. I don't believe I did, but there's a coupon code here for Paragon Elixirs to save 33% off your order. Well, there's actually 3 things left. It looks like we did receive a crystal, so I'm super excited. I've been wanting to learn more about crystals. I mentioned that in a past video, and my mom and I have been talking about it a lot lately. We're totally into the same things, like learning more about like skincare, oils, crystals, like living better. But this is what it looks like. I am no expert, so first glance I'm not sure what it is, so let's learn more about this. Ooh, cool, it's my birthstone, raw emerald in biotite. So this is it. So this has an $8 value, and it says, with its lush green color, emerald connects us to the process of renewal and growth. Meditate with this stone to enhance balance and harmony while remaining rooted in the earth element. So cool. I love this. I love learning more about this stuff too. So I think you can like hold this and say the mantra, I am supported and uplifted by my plant allies. Next up we have a face mask. I've actually had face masks from this company before. Maybe this one in particular, I can't remember, but I know I like it. So Sweet Chef Ginger and Vitamin C Fresh Pressed Sheet Mask. So this is supposed to help brighten dark spots and uneven tone. And of course it's vegan and cruelty-free, free of parabens and synthetic dyes and fragrances. And on here it says selfie approved, oh ginger snap. I definitely received like a pack of this company's face mask before. I love doing sheet masks a few days a week. I feel like it just makes my skin look better, especially before a makeup application. So it says, Sweet Chef mixes the perfect daily shot of vegetables and vitamins to freshly boost your skin's vitality and deliver a healthy radiance. Quenching your skin has never been so sweet. Oh, and I also have a serum that's like a beet serum with vitamin A in it. I have that in my skincare collection. Yeah, I've tried a decent amount from this brand. I really like them. So this face mask has a retail value of $3.50. And it says, with a magical combo of healing ginger, antioxidant-rich turmeric, and vitamin C, this plant-powered mask will help protect your skin from environmental aggressors, leaving you with a radiant, healthy glow. And there's a code here to save 15% off your orders, excluding any kits, on sweetchefskincare.com. Nice. Can't wait to use this. And then the last item in here is super cute. We have some stickers, and they're all plant-like stickers. And then also had Goddess Provisions in the middle. So this goes perfectly with the Plant Allies theme. These are so cute. I love stickers. These are really good quality ones too. So it says these Sacred Space plant stickers, they have a retail value of $5, and plants can magically transform any space into a sacred abode with their enchanting vitality. Decorate your vision board, journal, and mobile devices with these eco-friendly stickers. Special note, these stickers are made with 100% post-consumer paper and are not waterproof. I love that everything in here is like made from recycled stuff, and everything is so good for you. This is awesome. So it looks like also included with the subscription is a digital bonus. It's the Plant Alchemy and Divination. It says, discover how to connect with the divine wisdom of the nature spirits and deepen your personal journey with daily rituals and plant divination from Sol and Selene. So it gives you the link to download it, and it has an $18 value. I'm so excited that's included because I was just saying how I want to learn more about these things, and now they're giving me the resources to do so. And I really love that on here it says, for ingestible items, please consult your healthcare provider with any concerns about taking herbs or supplements. I love that they said that. It's the pharmacist in me and also just the consumer. If you guys take any medications or have any medical conditions, whenever you take anything, even a vitamin, even like an aspirin, anything, you should always consult with your doctor first just to make sure there's no interactions with other medicines or with your or with any conditions you may have. So I really appreciate that they mentioned that here. So I think this box is great. It's very different and unique compared to all of the other boxes I get, which is so fun. I love trying new things, and this is really going to educate me. I can't wait to learn more about all of the ingredients, or all of the products, I should say. So the first thing, the Elderberry Tonic. I'm totally going to make this tonight and look up more about the benefits of all of the components, which is a really simple list. Like the main thing is elderberry, and I shouldn't even say this, but like elderberry, like cocktails are so good, I think. So I have a feeling I'll like the taste of this. We have our emerald and bentonite. This is so cool to me. I can't wait to learn more about crystals. The face mask, of course, I love. This essential oil blend smells amazing. The thing I need to look into and learn more about is this tincture. It's supposed to help with longevity. I am so intrigued by this. I don't recognize a lot of the ingredients, so I am going to look into this and definitely use that digital download they're offering to learn more about all of this stuff. Definitely will make use of it. Oh man, there's so much stuff in the skincare. Love that. Stickers are cute. There's so much good stuff in this box. I think this was so great, and I love how eco-conscious they are. They plant trees, all of that. So yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts down below. I thought this was so fun, so different for our channel. I'm so grateful for Goddess Provisions for sending me this. Again, the link is in the description box. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you for unboxing this with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.